Hey future hacker, welcome to Command Line 101 with your host, Kalob Taulien, that's me. In this course, you're going to learn how to use the command line from scratch with little or no prior experience. If you've never touched the command line, this course is for you. Or if you need to learn how to use a command line for like a new web development job, this course is also for you. We're going to look at how to access the command line on macOS and Linux systems. Sorry, Windows is not supported in this course unless you're using Windows subsystem for Linux, in which case you can just pretend that you're using Linux. So macOS and Linux only. Then we're going to write a couple beginner-friendly commands to get used to how things work, create a few new files, a few new folders, edit a file using the command line, copy and rename files, and delete single files and entire folders. At the end of this course, I'll give you a cheat sheet as well that you can use as a reference at any time, so you never have to retake this course. Now this course is for you if you're using Mac OS, like a MacBook or MacBook Air, or an iMac. Or if you're using Linux, and you want to learn the beginning principles of the command line. This course is not for you if you're using just plain Windows. Sorry, Windows just does things differently than the rest of the world, and Windows comes with their own commands to do the same thing. Now the command line is really powerful. It's arguably more powerful than a graphic user interface because you can do more quicker without having to search around for things. The command line is used in everything from server management to modern web development. It is everywhere. Just because it's an old concept doesn't mean it's not being used anywhere. Hi, I'm Kalob Taulien. I'm your teacher in this class. I've taught hundreds of thousands of people how to code, and I've been teaching people tools like the command line for well over 8 years now. Together, we're going to learn how to rock the command line. I can't wait to see you inside.